Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Marvel Rivals Xbox to PC. Currently, Marvel Rivals is exclusively available on PC. This means the game cannot be directly connected or played on an Xbox console, as it has not been released for that platform. Therefore, cross-platform play between Xbox and PC for Marvel Rivals is not an option at this time. Marvel Rivals is a dynamic, team-based hero shooter that has launched exclusively for Windows personal computers. This means that to play the game, you will need a compatible PC. As of now, there have been no official announcements regarding a release on Xbox or any other console platforms. Players interested in the game should focus on its PC version. If you are eager to play Marvel Rivals, the current method is to play it directly on a personal computer. While this specific game does not support Xbox connectivity, many other popular titles do offer robust cross-platform play, allowing you to connect with friends across different systems. You might also find other exciting hero shooters available on your Xbox console. While Marvel Rivals is currently PC only, game developers sometimes release console versions in the future, so stay tuned for any official announcements. Keep an eye on the game's official channels for updates on potential platform expansions or new features. And speaking of upgrades for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.